Kia ora guys, welcome to another video tutorial on the midpoint formula. We'll be focusing on a kind of wordy question, and here it is. The coordinates of the midpoint of a line segment, AB, are -2 and 4. And if point A has coordinates 6 and -1, what are the coordinates of point B? So you're probably thinking, what the heck's going on? Some of you guys have to realize that we have a line segment which is called AB. So if I draw that for use, I'm just going to randomly draw a line from here to here, and this point is A and this point is B. So that is a random line segment called AB. Sometimes we just put a line on top. So this is line AB represented by this. The midpoint of this line segment AB has coordinates -2 and 4. So the midpoint is -2 and 4. Okay, let's see, the coordinates of the midpoint of a line segment AB are -2 and 4. So we've done that. If point A has coordinates 6 and -1, what are the coordinates of point B? So if point A has coordinates 6 and -1, what are the coordinates of point B? Okay, so we've got x and y values here, we've got an x and y value here, but these have got numbers, but this one doesn't, and that's what we're going to try and find. What are the values of the coordinates? So the first thing we do, realize they've actually given us the answer. Yeah, they gave us the answer. Usually they give us 2 endpoints, but in this case they only gave us the 1. So now we've got to come up with a way to find one part, or at least one part of the line segment of the endpoints, which is B, point B, by using the answer, and the other point, point A. So our formula is going to play an important role. I'm going to label this x1 and y1. So we've got an x1 and a y1. We do not have an x2 and a y2, which is this one here, x2, y2. We know that we have to divide it by 2, and it usually gives us an answer. So for example, x1 plus x2 divided by 2 usually gives us an answer, which is, in this case, -2, because they gave us the midpoint. Just take that off, -2. Now, the blue, this x value here, it's not blue, but it is up here. This x value here is going to get replaced with 6. x2, well, we can't replace it with anything because x2 doesn't have a number. So now we've got 6 plus something divided by 2 equals -2. And that is algebra. 6 plus something divided by 2 equals -2. And what we do is we transfer stuff. So the first thing to transfer is this divided by 2. This divided by 2 is going to go over here. I'm going to do the opposite to divide because it's divide by 2. So it's going to be times 2. Okay? Done. The next thing, put brackets around them, is we're going to move the 6. I'm going to do the 6 over here because it's a positive 6, a plus 6. When it moves, we do the opposite to the plus, so it becomes a -6. Okay? Now, the next thing we move, well, the last thing we do, I should say, because we've already moved these two numbers, the question mark is by itself. The question mark represents this x2, is we just find what this is. Negative 2 times 2 is negative 4, and negative 4 minus 6 is equal to negative 10. So that is our value for x2, negative 10. Now what I want you to do is follow that same process, pause the video, follow that same process for the y2 value. Do that now. So, to calculate the y2 value, we do what we did before. We realize that y1 is given to us as 1 over here. So we're going to go 1 plus a y2 value. Yeah, we usually add them together, but we don't have a y2 value. Let me just write that underneath. Divided by 2, and it's supposed to equal our answer, which we've got here, which equals 4. Remember, we were given the midpoint, so we were given the answer straight away, so that is our answer, 4. And then we transfer. We transfer the two terms that are numbers, so we got the y2 by itself. So this divided by 2, okay, divided by 2 becomes a times 2. This positive 1 becomes a minus 1. He's gone. He's gone. We're left with the unknown figure, y2, and that's equal to whatever this is. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 minus 1, 7. So y2 is equal to 7. So now we've got our answer. The B point has coordinates negative 10 and 7. Hope this video helped, guys. We'll see you in the next one.